Hello friends, today I'm going to share one my real-time experience, like what exactly a DBA can face. So when we got one email asking to provide the access for SQL Server, but he didn't mention the SQL Server name, but he mentioned the HTTP path. To see the HTTP path of SQL Server in Azure Databricks, you need to go to select here and you go to the connection details. Here we have to see the HTTP path. But in my case, I am having more than 50 SQL data warehouses in Azure Databricks. I cannot go and search and open each for and go to the connection details and see the HTTP path and matching yes, this is matching or not. I cannot go that. Why? Because it will eat my time. So here came with the query Python code. Here we need to mention the Databricks a name, okay, and you have to provide the token where you used to get go to settings, go to developer. Here you can generate access token, okay, and you can paste it there, and it is like we are giving full access to the Azure Databricks. He can do anything. So after this video I am going to delete this token so that nobody can connect to my Azure Databricks, and I'm calling this API endpoint, and so here I can just execute this SQL server, and I got all the result. I'm just copy paste here, and so now I can see that 8 CCC and 8 CCC is there, so that I can confirm I need to give permissions for this warehouse. But if you want to filter using, like I don't want to search again and you want to directly filter this SQL, no problem. You just replace filter HTTP path here and remove this one. Just slash slash. That's it. And this one as well. Okay. Now execute. So now I got directly this one. So now if you don't if you do extra this line as well, sometimes you will get some error. Okay, so make sure that your spaces are like this. Okay, now filter, no, don't. So just remove this. Okay, so even the space is also considered sometimes this kind of error. So make sure that while removing or adding the slash, okay, that one double slash, so make sure that you are properly aligned with the spaces. I hope I'm going to give this code in the comment box. You can get it from there, and I hope you may like this video. Thank you.